What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I'm going to be doing an updated version of my EDC or my bug out bag. I just upgraded a little bit. I've got the OGIO. It's the street bag. It's really durable. Fits really comfortable. You probably can't see because of the fucking light. Let me try turning this way, so maybe. There we go. Sorry, my gears in the way. Fuck. There we go. But this is it right here. The first part is just very simple. I've got it's my first aid. I got everything in there. I've got my thread, sewing needle, band-aids, ointment, string, more string, ibuprofen, Advil, burn pad. Got 4 burn pads in there. Got iodine or iodized salt, or not salt. Fuck I say salt for? I don't know, but yeah, it's pretty much the basics. Okay, I no need to put it together, but got my triple antibiotic, got me my sterile gloves, more band-aids. Can't ever have enough band-aids. I'm meant to be putting the tape and everything in here. I'm gonna be putting a tourniquet in it soon, but this is medical grade tape, by the way. But yeah, so I'm gonna be putting a lot more stuff in it, but a lot more, you know, stuff that's actually useful. But right here, got earplugs. Airsoft earplugs. Right here, I have bags. I don't know why I have plastic bags, but I feel like there could be some uses for it. I just don't know what. I guess when time comes, we'll see. And I've got something right here that I'm gonna be putting pepper spray in. This little pouch right here. Probably can't see it. Lighting is really gay. I'm gonna try and do something about it. Might be able to see it a little bit better. This pouch right here. That's where my pepper spray is gonna go. Alright. Right here, got me a pair of gloves. Deodorant. This is pretty much my EDC, really. Survival cloth that my friend had put in his mouth with Monster and arose the cloth. Now it smells like straight Monster. Gauze that goes into the first aid, but I have more in here somewhere, or I thought I did. Matches. A map of my area. Whole map. I actually got this off of the cat bus that we have running around here. 2 things of hand sanitizer. Oh god. Compass. Mints. More tape. Scissors. And 2 Bibles. Yeah, that's pretty much my EDC is pretty much what I carry around with me every day. I got a bug out bag. I'm gonna be doing a video on that actually soon, so probably do that tonight. So yeah, hadn't quite thought about it yet. Might as well do it today. Got nothing else, or tonight. Really have nothing else to do, so. Compass is in there. Survival cloth. Put that in there. Put this in there. Yeah, maps is really handy, I think, because you never know what you're going to be getting yourself into. So it's always good to have a map to know where you're going if you're not too familiar. Even a person who's been living in one town for a while or one place for a while is still prone to get lost. So just keep that in mind when you're out and about. It's always good to have a backup plan, I think. Oh yeah, sorry about that, that's my phone. Also left out, not a lot of people know this, or some people don't really think about it. Belts. There's 2 reasons why you can have belts. Extra change of clothes. Never know what could be going on. I gotta put socks in here. So, yeah, that'll probably be what I'm gonna do. Leather belt. Weapon. Or just defense, and then just defense in general. So yeah, multiple uses for a belt. Or tourniquet. Use that as I don't know, something like that number. So really don't need a tourniquet, although it'd be good to put one in here just in case all else fails. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's basically my EDC. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe if you hadn't done so already. Share, like, do whatever. I don't care about negative comments. I really don't. Y'all just gonna be childish anyways if you dislike the video. So negative comments, kids, leave those out. Yeah, that's pretty much it though for my video. So yeah, peace.